Student, today we will start the new chapters. Chapter number 5, oscillation. Oscillation to and fro of a body about its mean position is called oscillatory motion. Now, the periodic motion, the motion that repeats itself after equal interval of time is called periodic motion. Example of periodic motion, the motion of pendulum clock is oscillatory motion. Second example of periodic motion, vibrations of tuning fork. Third example, vibrations of wire of a सितार. ऐसी मोशन जो इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में बार बार रिपीट होती है उसको हम periodic मोशन बोलते हैं. इसके अंदर जो ट्यूनिंग फोर्क की जो वाइब्रेशंस रहती है वो बार बार रिपीट होते रहती. क्लॉक का जो पेंडुलम है वो बार बार रिपीट होते रहता इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में. ऐसे मोशंस को हम periodic मोशन बोलते हैं. नाउ द सेकंड डेफिनेशन, लीनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. Linear SHM in short, it is a linear motion in which the restoring force or acceleration on a body is directly proportional to displacement of the body. In linear SHM, the force is directed toward the mean position and its magnitude is directly proportional to displacement. Now, according to force is directly proportional to displacement. Force is directly proportional to displacement. Where negative sign indicate that force and displacement both are opposite to each other. Restoring force F is directly proportional to displacement. Force is denoted by F, displacement is denoted by minus x. Where negative sign indicate that force and displacement both are opposite to each other. F is equal to minus kx. यहाँ का प्रोपोर्शनल हमने निकाला, प्रोपोर्शनल कांस्टेंट लगाया. वेयर k is proportional constant. Proportional constant is called force per unit displacement. Obtain an expressions for differential equations of linear simple harmonic motion. Consider a particle of mass performing a linear simple harmonic motion. By the definitions of linear simple harmonic motion, we know force is directly proportional to displacement. Force is directly proportional to displacement. Force F is equal to minus kx. Equation number 1. According to Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Force is denoted by F, mass m, acceleration a. We know the acceleration, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. It is, we can write as a is equal to dv by dt, change in velocity with respect to time. Also we know the velocity, the rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called velocity. V is equal to change in velocity with respect to time dt. Now put the value of V. A is equal to d by dt into dx by dt. D into d, d square into x, dt into dt, dt square. Now A is equal to d2x upon dt square. Put the value of a in equation 2. F is equal to m, the value of a d2x upon dt square, equation number 3rd. Comparing equation 1 and equation 3, then we get one side is same. Now m d2x upon dt square is equal to minus k. After comparing the equation 1 and 3, then we get m d2x upon dt square is equal to kx. Now transfer the m, then d2x upon dt square is equal to minus k by m, where k by m is equal to omega square. Omega is the angular velocity, k is a force constant, and m is the mass of the particle performing a linear SHM. Then substitute the value of k by m, replace by omega square, then we get d2x upon dt square is equal to omega square in x. Now this is the required expressions for differential equations of linear simple harmonic motion. d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. The differential equations of linear simple harmonic motion.